Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, let's unbox and take a first look at the brand new Logitech Ergo M575S, a wireless trackball mouse that is a brand new addition to the Ergo series of products from Logitech. In the box, you get your mouse with a pre-installed battery, a Logi-Bolt receiver, and some user documentation. Taking a quick tour around the mouse, on the front you've got your left and right buttons, scroll wheel, and off to the left you have the forward and back buttons, along with the high-precision trackball. Turn it around and you have the power switch, along with the button to toggle between a Logi-Bolt receiver and Bluetooth. And in the battery compartment you have a pre-installed battery, along with a Logi-Bolt receiver. With that covered, let's take a look at how to set up your Ergo M575S. Your mouse can be connected via Bluetooth or to a Logi-Bolt receiver. Let's look at the Bluetooth setup process first. Your mouse arrives with the power switch in the on position. Just remove the battery tab and your mouse powers on and automatically goes into pairing mode. Under the Bluetooth settings, your mouse will be detected. Just click on it and that's it. You have successfully connected your M575S via Bluetooth. If you want to connect your mouse with the included Logi-Bolt receiver, first plug the receiver into your computer. Then remove the battery tab and your mouse will power on and automatically connect to the Logi-Bolt receiver. To switch between a Logi-Bolt connection or Bluetooth, simply press the Easy Switch button at the back for an instant switch. The Logitech Ergo M575S is loaded with many useful features. The all-new ergonomic design promotes a more relaxed and natural hand position, and it fits perfectly in your hand, providing full palm support. The high-precision trackball offers adjustable DPI from 1000 to 2000 DPI, ensuring great performance and tracking every time you use it. The extra-wide primary buttons and scroll wheel are tilted to match the overall angled shape of the M575S, allowing a more natural finger movement when scrolling and an overall better and more comfortable user experience. You can also customize the Ergo M575S in the Logi Options Plus app. You can assign various shortcuts, change the trackball DPI, and more, giving you complete control to customize your mouse to your preferences. And finally, with a single AA battery, you'll get 18 months of battery life, allowing you to be more productive without worrying about batteries. With a space-saving ergonomic design that is complemented by a high-precision trackball, the Logitech Ergo M575S ensures maximum comfort with minimal movement. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.